Hey guys, last day.
Last day.
We're rushing. 7:23. We got to the bus at around 7:05.
7:02.
7:02. Only the Universal's park opens early for hotel guests, so we'll see if it pays off or not. And keep you posted. But Universal's today, as you can tell by our outfits.
And to wash your hands often.
Nothing, it's a store. So, oh, it's a tribute store. I want to go. So, the tribute store they had like a Halloween one when we came.
Cute. That's like a little pop-up store.
Yeah,
for different things.
for different things.
Yeah.
And this sure has a bar. And then this is a bar that I like.
Ooh, okay.
Finnegan's, that's
You
the
got a
name.
thing for Irish bars, huh?
Apparently. Living on my birthday. So you have to show your hotel ticket to pass a certain line. But that means that if you're not a hotel guest, you can get into the park early and wait in line for something else, like the mummy. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that brain goes behind straight. You pay it straight into common currency for official rainbows back.
So Kitty rode her first ride and she got to see the Harry Potter-ness. What do you think?
The theme is done so well. The ride itself was okay. It was too blurry for me, those glasses they gave us.
I feel like it's always like that though. Like there's always an issue with that ride. We did ride it in like 10 minutes.
We did.
So that was nice. So that's it pretty much. And then the theming of it, we'll go back so she can experience it. But we're on our way to the moment.
Thank you.
Alright, Kitty, did you like it?
Yeah. I wish it was a little bit longer. It reminded me of Space Mountain,
Oh, that means you did like
but
it.
not as long. Which is why I didn't like it as much.
Oh. Kitty said that she thinks she likes Universal more. We'll see as the day
I like
goes.
the themes better. That's why.
It's more adultish.
Yes.
Yeah, and then it's cool to see props and it's cool to see like. It's hard at Disney because you would have to look at pictures of the animation, yeah?
Yeah, not as cool.
Interesting. My hair? Be wild.
Yep. Can we go back somewhere? Alright, let's go there.
It's rude. It's a show. go. It's like my side. Other hand.
You're not a very animated bunch, Gigi. Look at them. What are they paying for? This is torture. I'm out of here.
Have guests. Hi there, folks. Welcome to Lord Farquaad's castle. Run for your lives! Oh, rather lackluster bunch.
Yeah. I don't understand what's happening.
Tell me where that repulsive green monstrosity has taken my Fiona. Where are they?
I don't know.
Furious? Too soon? I must go prepared. I'll be in to torture you later. All of you!
Where's that? Oh my, it's just beginning. It's the beginning of the end.
Look at the cat. What, a chubby cat?
Bye!
What do you think of Shrek?
That's cute.
Yeah.
I like the Muppet Show and the other ones at Disney better than this one.
Oh! Yeah, this one's okay. The chairs are nice though, so I was
They are
like,
nice chairs.
and
you're
it's a
right.
long show. I feel
It
like
is.
what, 10 minutes?
Yeah. I could take a nap in there.
Yeah, like it's air conditioned.
It is.
The bummer is the line. If you don't get in and you're waiting outside, woo, that could be a bummer. I just flashed, you know, as far as I am wearing those shorts, but they're see-through in a way. They're a little see-through. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, I hope the weather stays like this. Honestly, it's gorgeous. And low-key, I hope it rains a little bit just so that people leave. Yeah. And then I feel like Diagon Alley would look so cool in the rain.
And I'm a Slytherin, so
Yeah.
perfect.
We're gonna try to go get breakfast and then see what else. Just going with the flow. Creature. Hi, creature. Creature. Nice. In the other book, Jim Dale, I think it's the guy who reads it, the narrator. He gives Creature like a creature. That's like that kind of voice.
Yeah.
And so, you know, when Creature's like talking back,
Yeah.
I love it because he makes it so funny. Like he's like, Creature, what is that? Nothing, Master. Master thinks he's the best. You know, he does like little, it's my favorite. So anytime Creature comes up, I love it. And then like, they use Creature a little bit in the movie, but
Yeah, not a lot.
not a lot. And he's one of the best ones.
I feel sad about Pete.
Yeah, that they didn't use him either.
Yeah.
Peace is so annoying in the book though. And then that's
Classic.
Jim Dale in that one. I'm pretty sure it's Jim Dale. Hopefully it's Jim Dale. I didn't make up a name. He for Peeves. Peeves is so annoying. Like he makes it like a very high pitched like
Yeah.
potty like that. It's pretty
It's
good.
like that he helps Fred and George all the time.
Troublemaker.
Yep.
Yeah. So good. I recommend you guys listen to the audiobooks. They're really good. Oh, the more spectacular is this way. Do you know anything about this ride?
I know about it.
Oh, okay.
I watched all of them, I think, except for the Disney one.
Oh yeah, with the girl and Thor?
Yeah.
Once again, to
What's
Mission
Thor's brother?
Debriefing. That's agents E-I-E-I-O.
And maybe it was my brother.
And they're the cutest thing ever. Are they here? Yeah, they are.
Your own BF 491862. I'm so sick of this place.
Yes.
Agent I, Agent E.
Clothes and other conspicuous clothing may be concealing alien features.
And how about this friendly scene? Where's the alien here?
Where?
Why, it's right in front of your eyes.
Where?
This isn't a pile of fruit. It's the leader of a gang of space merry-go-rounds taking over our planet. Pictures. What a nuisance.
Do right. No, there's no eating, no drinking, no smoking, no videotaping, and no photography of any kind.
Because I can't give you a G. That dude in the back, you would have a
Let's check with the coach.
Oh, really? Oh, what do we get? Okay. Average at least. No, please.
That's right, here comes some more happy people. That's right.
So we did Men in Black. What'd you think?
I don't know. I can't remember what happened.
That's right. We did good. It was only us two in the car.
Yeah.
We didn't spin as much.
I'm not a very good shot still.
So I'm about to Google it.
I like the
Buzz.
Buzz the best.
Space Ranger.
I did the best on that one.
That's the one I
I
hate.
was in the middle on this one and I feel like I couldn't see anything.
I can't use any strategy for it. Coke number 1, it was $18 with tax, but you get free refills and
All day.
ices all day.
Ices, yes.
I think it's worth it. If you have family, it's worth it. It's worth it. It also comes with the snack one, but I didn't look into that one, so we have to go this way. So yeah, not bad. I feel like it's not as crowded yet, but I did think this one was gonna be the least crowded because the other one has like all of the big, huge rides.
Yeah.
Harry Potter is obviously crowded, it's always crowded, but I'm hoping that also dies down soon. There's a gang over there.
Oh yeah.
But I want Scooby!
Yeah, where is Scooby?
Oh, okay, here are the times.
Oh, we can make the next one at 11:30.
Oh, perfect, yeah. We are at today's cafe. And what you do is you come up, technically you should have an order, and then once you come in, she'll tell you which table to sit. We didn't have an order, but she still gave us a table, and we ordered while we sat here, and then you like put what you want, you pay, and then you scan the table, and they bring it to you.
Yeah, super easy.
Yeah, good seats, good air conditioning. Yeah, I'm gonna get copyright for this song. I already know it, because that's what happened last time too.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Talk louder.
Ah! Yeah, we'll see. If not, I'll put like little music in, like, you know, to
Confuse it.
yeah, to confuse it. We're seeing a lot of people coming in right now, around 11. We already rode
We just did Men in Black.
Men in Black,
Harry Potter.
Gringotts, roller coaster, Mummy, Shrek.
Yep.
5? Not bad.
No?
And then-
Again, it's only 10.
Yeah. And then we're gonna do shows next. We did get one of these freestyles. Get a refill probably before we go to shows. But yeah, not bad so far.
No.
So I got bagels with bananas, chocolate chips, Nutella, macadamia nuts, and it comes with fruit. And then silverware, I got pakmie. And then Kitty got a like
Ham, egg, and cheese.
sandwich.
Yeah.
And then we have this view. Very nice. We'll see how it tastes though. It's very cute.
I like mine.
Hello Kitty showed up maybe 10 minutes ago.